Hey everyone, would it be cool if I talked about the ketogenic diet, whether or not we should be doing it? Is that alright? If it is, keep watching the video. If it's not, you're like, Tom, that's stupid, don't talk about it. Well, then, I'll see you in the next video because I'm talking about it. Alright, now in order to understand the ketogenic diet, if it works, how it works, and whether or not we should be doing it, we have to know more about, just a little bit more about what a carbohydrate is. And just think about that word for a second. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates play a vital role in hydrating our body. They play a vital role in pulling water into our muscles and hydrating our muscles. If you have been doing a low-carb diet, or if you're just simply not hydrated enough, you're probably chronically fatigued, chronically sore, you don't recover from workouts well, you feel like you can hurt yourself doing the littlest, tiniest thing, because your muscles have no lubricant, they have no water. Water is like oil to the body. If you don't have enough water in your muscles and just in your body and your joint in general, all of your muscles are grinding against each other. Imagine a car's engine, just no oil, metal on metal, grinding, beating. It's gonna blow. It's going to break, and the same goes for your body. I've tried this low carb diet before and lost weight, but I was chronically getting injuries during my strongman training at my competitions because it's just not as easy to stay hydrated. You can't do it. So eating the right amount of carbohydrates is going to let your muscles have that water, have that lubricant. But here's the thing. Yes, you will lose weight almost instantly going on a low to no carb diet. But the weight you're losing is that vital water from your muscles, that vital glycogen in your muscles, especially if you're working out while you're doing it. You're going to be using up the glycogen stores in your liver, your muscles, all of that. And it's not going to be pulling as much water into your muscles. They're not going to be as hydrated, and you're going to feel like you can't recover from your workouts and everything I just said. So yeah, you lost 5-10 pounds of water and glycogen, but guess what? It's not fat. It's not inches off the body. And it's actually, you don't want to lose that weight. That's healthy weight. You want that weight back. Here's a common story. Someone comes to me and they're like, I've been trying low carb, I've lost a few pounds, I'm really frustrated and stuck and I can't go any lower. Well, yeah, because you never were in a caloric deficit, you were never getting enough protein. You simply lost resources from your body and we need to restore those resources. You work with me, we're going to train right, we're going to eat right, you're going to eat carbs, breads, pastas, and potatoes, and you're going to restore those glycogen, you're going to restore your water, you're going to get your body healthier, stronger, better. Yes, you're going to gain those 5 or 10 pounds back, but guess what? You should never have lost that 5 to 10 pounds to begin with. We want to restore you back to a healthy weight, your healthy weight, so then we can work on the calories and the protein, and we can start slowly losing weight from there, but at least that weight, while slower, is fat off your body, inches off your body, while you're feeling great, while you're feeling more energized, while you're feeling stronger. That's true sustainable weight loss. So if you couldn't tell, I'm not a fan of the ketogenic diet. Don't do it. If you need help with meals and recipes that show you the proper balance, that are in proper balance of calories, protein, carbs, and fats, that are designed to shred fat off the body, I have my 51 fat stripping recipes. They work. They come with convenient little scannable MyFitnessPal codes, so you can instantly add them into your MyFitnessPal and instantly add them into your recipes. They come with meal plans, grocery guides, everything you actually need for that sustainable, healthy, true fat loss and weight loss. You can check those out in the link below or the link above, depends on where you're at. But go ahead, check those out. If you're someone who wants sustainable, real, healthy fat loss, you need to check out those recipes. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me, and I will see you guys in my next video.